How to use your JBL Charge 6 like a pro. Press the power button to turn on your speaker. Press the Bluetooth button to connect with your phone's Bluetooth settings. To make the music louder, press Volume Up. Want it quieter? Press Volume Down. To control your music, tap Play, Pause to start or stop a song. Double tap to go to the next track, or triple tap to replay the previous one. To enjoy stereo sound, press the Active button on both speakers if you have two Charge 6s. Install the JBL Portable app from the Play Store to unlock more features. In the app, use the custom equalizer to tweak the sound to your liking. For wired audio, connect an auxiliary cable for better sound quality. My favorite? Charge your phone using the speaker's USB port while listening. Check the app for software updates to ensure your speaker works smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips.